Hi, I'm Daniel, founder of PDF Generator API. Today I want to introduce our Airtable app that allows you to easily generate custom PDF documents from the data you have available in your Airtable database. For example, I have created three linked tables: orders, customers, and line items. Orders table represents an order with order number, customer, line items, notes, and status. The customers table represents the customer with name and address, and line items are line items that have name, SKU, price, quantity, image, and so on. Today's goal is to generate a nice looking PDF invoice for each of the order and attach it to the attachments field. As a first thing, I need to select an order to use as a data source for our document. Next thing is to select a template or create a new one. I have prepared a simple invoice that we will modify. So I will have the invoice and I click the edit button. In the editor view, we have different kind of components available like text, table, images, barcodes, and QR codes. I have already prepared a simple invoice using a text components and a container. I have invoice number, due date, and status already here, and customer name, but we are still missing the address. So let's try to add customer address. Our editor knows what kind of dataset is sent from the Airtable, and it collects all available fields so we can access them easily and add it to the template. So we have a customer and we have customer address. So let's insert that. And we already see that preview. As a next thing, we have a list of line items. We can use container or table component to iterate over a list of items. In our context, it's line items that we can list. In the editor, we only see the first item, but when the PDF is rendered, we see all the items that are in the dataset. We have quantity and price, but we don't have a total value. Luckily, PDF Generator API provides a simple expression language that allows us to do mathematical calculations. So we can easily multiply price with the quantity, and that's it. We also want to show an image for each of the line items. So I will use image component, drag and drop it into the container, and then I will connect image URL that we got from the database to show the image. So a bit of dragging, and modifications are done. To preview, we can preview it in the editor to see what is the final outcome of the document. Looks nice. So let's save the document and close the editor. Now we can generate the invoice for each of the selected records. So I will select three different records. I can see that they are selected here. We use the invoice template, and the generated document will be saved to the attachments field. If it's an attachment field, then it's saved as a file, but we can use any text field, then it's saved as a URL to the document. Let's click generate and wait a bit. So output is generated, and we can see that attachments appeared here. So when we open the specific document, we can see that the same template is used to generate output invoice for each of the records. And that's it. We have created a layout for a simple invoice. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at support@pdfgeneratorapi.com. Thanks. See you soon.